Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, my boss hates me. He shoved me under the car with jack stands and a jack to be safe, to pull a fuel hose. I don't know if I want to hate him or love him. Nah, just kidding, guys. We're just so swamped right now. It was just the easiest way to do it was to bring it into this bay and do it. So, here's our new hose. Get ready to go in. Stupid phone. There we go. So, all the way through. Exact match. Now, I don't know if we were able to get a really good picture of it when we were videoed it the first time. So, this is why you were leaking fuel so badly. It's literally just cracked. I mean, it's not even losing its form. So, yeah. You gotta love it. So this one is, of course, as you can see, nice and pliable and good. So we're going to crawl back under the car. Yay! My chest barely fits. And we will get the new hose on, prime the system to make sure that we don't have any issues. I don't think we will because there's no other leaks that we saw. And we'll have that part done. But that's a little tricky to fish in and out, especially on your back. Yeah, I'm not even going there. I'm just not. And we're back again. So we're going to prime the system. I don't know if you guys heard that. And no dribbly. Fuel line is fixed. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is gonna be a short one, but it's done and now I can put it back down on all fours again. Woohoo! All right, boys and girls, we just finished the hose, so we're good. We're waiting on a response back about the seat. So I need to know about that before I can go any further on that one. So it puts us just a little behind the 8 ball, but nothing major. So we've got the harmonic balancer off. So that can be shipped out to the damper doctor and get that fixed. We've got the front pulley off, so that can be cleaned up and taken care of. So we've got all of our bolts and everything together. We have the harmonic balancer pulley for the belt right here. Water pump, power steering, but we can't put a lot of the front end together until we get the power steering back from the company that's rebuilding it, because that's the original one and they just don't make it anymore. Can't find it anywhere. So we're gonna jack this back down. I think we gotta move a car out and I'm pretty much done for the day. So it's probably tomorrow that I'll come back to this one and we're gonna put this car where that car is, that car where this car is, and then I can start doing all the front suspension work and get that done. So just a quick recap. Waiting on information about the seat. All the rear rotors, hoses, and pads are done, plus fuel hose taken care of. Front seats taken care of for the passenger side. I need to find out about this specific part on the car so I know whether or not I have to do a new motor or if it's wiring. Not quite sure which. Oh, yay. You gotta love cars, which I do because that one's mine. This is a client's. I'm already in love with it. It's a Mercedes. You had me at a Benz. I swear it was a Benz. But yeah, we really only have the front suspension left. Come on, phone, stop doing that. We only have the front suspension left with rotors on one, no, rotors complete, hoses and pads. So maybe a day's worth of work on the front end and we'll be done. All depends on how easily things come apart. But all right, boys and girls, we'll see you on the next wheel.